But this year, I'm gonna use this action camera to get lots of shots. Now this thing is really cool. Watch what it does when I turn it on. Ha ha ha. And to start recording, you simply hit the camera button and it's got a screen so you can see what you're recording. Now the other thing that you can do is you can turn this around so you can see what's in front of you. Yo, it's awesome. Now, what I plan to do this year is I'm gonna use this guy. So you clip this guy in, make sure I'm doing it the right way. And I'm gonna actually clip it to my jersey. And people will see this view as I'm going up the Bay Bridge and as I'm going down. It's gonna be slick. I will make sure I share it on YouTube and Instagram. Now this guy comes with its own memory card and it comes with so many attachments. You can attach it so many different ways. You could attach this to your bicycle handlebar. It's also got this attachment. You put it in here and it's waterproof. Like you can take it underwater and do some video. I know, how slick is that? Very impressive. This is, you can click it in here, it charges in here. It's also got the attachment you can attach to your computer to download the files. You can also download the files Wi-Fi. I know, it's impressive. Really fun with this guy, I can't wait to use that.